Probability distributions. The next important probability distribution that we are going to look at is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. So the Poisson distribution normally occurs for rare events. See, for example, the Poisson distribution models counts such as the number of new cases of SARS that occur in women in New England next month. The distribution tells you the probability of all possible numbers of new cases from 0 to infinity. So if X be the number of cases next month and X follows Poisson, P-O-I-S-S-O-N, Poisson, with parameter lambda. So lambda is the parameter here, and this stands for the mean, okay? The mean of the distribution, lambda. Then the probability X follows X equal to K or X equal to X, the number of count is, so probability of X equal to X is equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power X divided by X factorial, comma, X equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. It goes up to infinity, okay? So that is the difference between binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, the X varies from 0 to n. So n is the number of trials here. But in Poisson distribution, it will go up to infinity, right? So that is a major difference in terms of the range for X. So now I'm going to introduce a problem for the medical statistics, Poisson distribution, in the how it is applicable in medical statistics. Here an example where the Poisson distribution was used in a maternity hospital to work out how many births would be expected during the night. The hospital had 3,000 deliveries each year. So if these happened randomly around the clock, 1,000 deliveries would be expected between the hours of midnight and 8 a.m. This is the time when many staff are off duty, and it is important to ensure that there will be enough people to cope with the workload on any particular night. The average number of deliveries per night is, so you have 1,000 deliveries, right? So over 365 days. So your lambda is equals to the average number of births per day is equals to 2.74. So from this average rate, the probability of delivering 0, 1, 2, etc. babies each night can be calculated using the Poisson distribution. Okay. So how to calculate that? So I'll give you some of the examples. So probability of 0 birth on that particular night is equals to, so you have lambda, right? So lambda to the power X. So 2.74, just compare the formula and plug in the values. So 2.74 to the power 0 and then e to the power minus 2.74 divided by x factorial, that is 0 factorial. So this is equals to 0.065, right? And then probability of 1 birth is equals to lambda, which is 2.74 to the power 1 into e to the power minus 2.74 divided by 1 factorial. So 2.74 to the power 1 is 2.74. So this value you can get it from the calculator, right? And divided by 1 factorial is 1 again. So this evaluates to 0.177.
So how do I interpret this value, sir?
So in the given nights, there will be 1 birth. There is a 18% chance that you might have 1 delivery on that particular night.
Oh, thank you, sir.
From evening to morning 8 a.m.